So another one that is coupling. Coupling is similar to the pin connection. So it's connected between two shaft transmission, the torque. But this one a little bit difference is got the cover to cover the internal part. So one of the photo is like this one. Okay, so you got the shaft connection it, you got the pin. You got the key connection between the two shafts. So the internal part will be like this. Internal part. So you will notice that you got a screw, lock it, surrounding. Internal, you got a key to block it between two shafts. So the rotation is smooth. The two shafts, the diameter is different. Okay, so this one you can be easily to design it. Okay, so this one I think not so urgent to using it. This one is also another one coupling, different types. The shaft, but this one you got center, got a part with different built in the key, so you transfer the power. So this one another types. Okay, another one is the bearing. So bearing is useful to allow relatively movement between the two parts, shaft and housing with the low friction, to ensure free rotation with the minimum friction within them. So one of it is like this. Internal, you got a shaft. The shaft rotate because this one you want to reduce the friction. This one rotate very fast, but the ball also will be rotate. But the outside the housing, that will be static. So it's a support. This support is to reduce the friction. And this one is widely used in a lot of machine or vehicle. Okay, like bicycle, motor, or car, all is using a lot of bearing. And the manufacture of this one is standard and is quite cheap. Okay, we got the ball bearing. We also got roller bearing. Inside is the cylindrical types. It's like this. Okay, journal bearing. Okay, so different types. Okay, brick, I think is seldom they using it. The brick. Okay, another one is the belt. So belt is also widely used in the industry. So you can transfer the power, low power with the long distance. Okay, so we got few types of the belt. Open belt. When this one rotation to push, this is the rubber, and then this one also rotate. So the part you put on top of this, you can move to another side. Okay, when this one rotate, another side also will be rotate. Smooth rotation. Cross belt, so the direction will be cross. Okay, this one, cross belt. Okay, increase the grip. You will be reduce the belt life, but this one will reduce the belt life. Okay, they have their own function. Another one is more expensive is V belt. V shape. The belt is V shape. You can see this one is not a flat one, is the V shape. And this one can transfer higher power. V shape the belt. Okay. Okay, this one is the advantage for the V belt. Less slip, less noise, high velocity ratio, high power transmission, more compact. This one all compared with the belt, normal belt, flat belt. But the cost will be more expensive. Okay, the last one will be chain drive. This one we apply like the bicycle. So you got the gear, you got the chain, rotation is smooth. Okay, chain element. This is the chain element. Okay, it's flexible move to reduce the friction. Okay, it's all a lot of advantage. No slip and high power transmission, very effective. The speed can be very fast. Disadvantage, high cost. And the noise. When you're high speed, there will be a lot of noise compared to belt. Okay, this one is the advantage for the belt, high operating speed. Disadvantage to the chain drive. Okay, the gear. This is we call the gear. So this one rotate, and another one also rotation. Okay. So very simple lah the gear. So this one terminology of the gear, a lot of different name for the gear. This one all can be involved calculation, but we just want to know the concept first for the initial stage. Spur gear, rotation. This one also rotation for the gear. Helical gear. So the teeth is different direction. This one stronger. Another one rack and pinion, rotation to horizontal. Okay, we will go through more details for gear in another chapter. So this one is a bevel gears, worms gears, different types of gear. Okay, another one is install an idle gear. When this one rotation, after the idle gear, the rotation will be same direction. This one is the main purpose to put idle gear center, add on one more gear. Okay, so the gear is no slips, precision, very precision, and long life.